y'all, it's Just Nene here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this white liner look with some rhinestones. So if you like this look already, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel and stick around to the end of this video. I'm going in this Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill, and I took that orange shade and I'm just using this fluffy brush to buff the shadow into my crease. Now I'm going back into the palette and I'm taking this brown chocolate shade, and I took a smaller brush, a smaller dense brush, and I'm tapping that into the crease also, and I'm just doing this tapping and swifting motion. So this is how it came out, and now I'm going back in with that orange shade and I'm just blending out the harsh lines. Now I went in with my P. Louise in base 0, and I'm using that to cut my crease with this flat brush that I got from Ulta. Take your time when you're doing your crease, because you want it to be like really nice and neat. So take your time, honey. Now I'm going in with this buffing brush and I'm just tapping in the product. And this is how it came out. Now I'm going back in with that brown shade and I'm just tapping that at the end of my cut crease, and I'm just blending that all out. Now I'm going in my Zulu palette from Juvia's place. I actually went in with the yellow and that pink right below that green shimmer shade. And I'm just taking this small dense brush. Use a flat brush. I kind of ran out of brushes. So I'm using this small little dense brush just to help me do so. But I mean, if you want to use a small dense brush like this, it's not a flat brush, you can. But yeah, so I'm taking the yellow shade and I'm just applying that, and then now I'm going in with the pink shade, and this is a flat angled brush. So I'm just tapping that onto my eyelid, and now I'm just going back in with the yellow just to make sure that there's no harsh lines in between the shades. You want to make sure that the shades are like blended seamlessly together. And I went off camera to do my liner because it was taking me a while, especially me having like curly lashes, so it was pretty annoying. And now here I am applying the rhinestones on top of my white liner. And then I went in with some lashes and bam. Bam. Yes. Now I'm going in with NYX Hydration Oil. Remember I told you guys I love this oil, so I've been using it. I'm not going to use it all the time because I don't want, but yeah. And then now I'm going in with New Caledonia. I realized, I don't know, in the wintertime you get kind of like, you get lighter. So I was just like, oh no, this is looking like real dark. So New Caledonia is like my summer shade, I believe, and Anastasia Beverly Hills and 490, I believe, is my winter shade. So my next tutorial, I'm gonna go in with that foundation and see what's popping. But right now I went in with my Tarte concealers in Tan Deep Sand and Deep, and I'm just applying that in all the highlighted zones. You know how we do it. You know what we do. And I'm just taking the Tan Deep because it's the lighter shade, and I'm just applying that right on top of it, just to give me some brightness under the eyes. And now I'm taking my Real Techniques, what is this? Highlight brush, but I use it for everything. And I'm just blending out the edges of my concealer. Now that I have that all blended out, I'm using my sponge from Miss A, and I am tapping my Laura Mercier setting powder into my skin. And now I'm going heavy in with the setting powder. Heavy. Yes. Yes. Now I'm going in with MAC Mineralized face powder. I want to say NW50. And I'm just using this fluffy brush to tap the foundation in. Now I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette. I didn't do a cream contour simply because I realized that I felt like I looked a little bit too dark. So I decided not to cream contour. And I'm just taking some setting powder and I am just lining up where I powder contour. Now I'm about to apply some blush. And I'm going in with my Morphe setting mist. And I'm going back in with my powdered foundation to set all the setting mist in. Now I'm going in with Dose of Colors Royal Hotness, my favorite highlighter. And I just slightly went in and contoured my nose with the Black Radiance contour palette. And now I'm going in with Morphe setting mist once again. And here I am with Wet n Wild dark brown pencil, and I'm lining up them lips. And I went in with I want to say, I'll have the name listed down below, but I forgot what lipstick this was. But I went in with 215 from L'Oreal lip gloss in natural. And this is the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.